This 2022 Keystone Sprinter 32BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, water heater, smoke detector, LP detector, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, TV, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Sprinter 32BH is 10,149 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.